What's going on? Check this out. You're on Facebook Live.
Oh, hi, Facebook.
Look, we're gonna walk up all...
Damn bridge.
Where are we going? Come here. What's it called?
We're going to the Hoover Dam Bridge. I'm running to those stairs, Facebook. Get away.
Come here. Don't run ahead of us. Look, we're going all the way up there.
Onto the Hoover Dam Bridge.
What's it called?
Hoover Dam Bridge. I just told you.
You sound like...
Oh, wait, forget.
Hey, you sound like a little hillbilly.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
What's it called that we're going out on?
The Hoover Dam Bridge.
Let me... So yeah, we're
On the Hoover.
we're going up these stairs. Hang on. Slow down.
The Hoover Dam self-tour.
The what?
The Hoover Dam self-tour because ourselves are touring ourselves.
Yeah, we don't have a damn guide.
Yeah, but you've got your Hoover Dam person yourself.
What's up, Andrea Laska? Stephen Fout, how you doing?
Hi.
Andrea.
Hi, Stephen.
What's going on?
I've heard a lot about you, Stephen.
You've met Stephen. He
I
stayed
know
at our
that.
house.
I
Goofy.
know that.
Here, get over on this side.
And I've heard a lot about you.
Stephen says, Abigail cracks me up.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Peace out. Love you.
She's crazy. Wow. Oh, they have this emergency thing just in case you go into cardiac arrest.
What?
Jeez.
What is that?
This, look. Look.
It is that.
Just in case you happen to have a heart attack at the top of the stairs. Yes, I am, Colleen. So here, check it out. Hold on.
Wait,
Shoot.
Hi.
Hold on.
Hi. I've heard much about you. Because my dad talks about you all the time.
So, we just came up those stairs. You can also go down the ramp.
I can see our van. Daddy, show the camera.
Yep, there's our van.
It's the one with like the round top. It's gray.
Yeah. Oh, great. Now what? That's a big step for you, kid. Oh. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Mommy. You could just walked around there.
So,
But we're all ninjas.
we're all ninjas. So we're walking out on the Hoover Dam Bridge. She said, yeah, Steven, I'm taking the damn elevator. Holy crap.
Oh, Dad. You were about to say the SH word.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, you
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh, you do.
And how do you know about that anyway?
Because
Look at this view. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Look at the mountains around here. There's the sun setting. So we're gonna walk out on the bridge. Jill, are you going?
I don't know. We'll see.
Come on, Jill. Oh, whoa. Okay, so here's the truth. Jill probably won't join us. She did it one other time. What's up, David Delgado? How you doing, brother? Hold on a minute. Look. We're walking out on the damn bridge.
No, get down.
Skate spot. Yeah, I know. I should have brought my skateboard. So there goes cars. She's trying to climb the wall. What's up, Justin? What's happening? Chuck. Yeah, look at the mountain view. Maria Cristiano says, Jill is beautiful. Pick her up. See any Transformers? No. Alright, I'm not going to show you guys the dam yet. But look. Like this is what is this, a mile, I think? A mile long? I'll give you a peek. So we're walking out on the Hoover Dam Bridge right now. There's traffic coming at us. Woo! Alright. So, look at all these semis coming at us. Semi-trucks. Come on! Come on! A-holes won't blow their horn. Dennis Gaybauer, hey, how you doing, man? Jill, there's your cousin, hey, Dennis. Abigail, get back here. Hey, all of your fans want to talk to you. What's up, Dennis? What up, Carrie Ann Tobin? What's going on? All right. Are you on the... All right, I'm going to show you the dam now. Here we go. All right, who wants to see the Hoover Dam? Give me a 1. Put a 1 in there if you want to see it. Come on, man. Marco Bernini, what's up, bro? All right, I'm going to show you the dam. Here we go. Boom! There it is. There is the Hoover Dam. I'm going to zoom in. This is pretty damn amazing, actually. Come on, let's walk down here.
I'm going to get ahead of you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I will.
Ah! All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. Okay, she didn't get that probably. I am a closer. Get back here.
No, you're not.
All right, check it out.
You're a worker.
Check it out. Come here. Get down here now. So there's the Hoover Dam, everybody. That is the Hoover Dam. Seeing it on video is not the same, I promise you. But it's pretty amazing. Isn't this cool? Honey, please don't climb up there and fall. That would just ruin the whole day. It's been such a great day. Don't fall off the damn bridge. Come on. We don't want her falling off the damn bridge. That would ruin the whole day.
People, excuse me. Turn the camera around.
It's on you. Hey, let me see you do a cartwheel right here on the damn bridge. Woo! Let's see you do a back bend. Can you do it? Let me see you do a back walkover. Come on the damn bridge. How many people have done a back walkover on the damn bridge? Come on. You'll be the first one ever. Yay! Woohoo! High fives are free today. Yeah. All right.
Every day high five.
So there is the Hoover Dam. That is Lake Mead, part of it.
Oh, those cars look like tiny ants.
There's more traffic coming at us. Look, those cars do look like tiny ants. Look, those are cars way down there.
Can I see the camera, please?
Hold on. Don't. So what do you think of the Hoover Dam?
It's very tiring.
Jill, you're doing pretty good.
Walk all the way
Come on,
across.
let's go.
20 more miles.
Come on. What's up, Greg Walker?
I can
Colleen, thank you, all of you. I appreciate all of you. What are you doing? Oh, well, it is your face.
Hi, people. Oh, thank you for all the thumbs up and hearts.
And the hearts? Are they giving you hearts?
Yeah, and emojis.
Ah, the emojis too.
And I love all the people that are on here right now. And why are there so many FaceTime
What are they
things?
saying there?
I don't know which one to read. I'm gonna read.
Greg
Wait,
Walker said, tell
Greg-
Jill to do a back walkover.
Tell Jill to do a back walkover. Hey, she's so cute.
Hi, doll.
Hi, doll. Hi, sweetie. Hi, butterfly.
Okay. No. We're done. Okay. You'll be reading all night. Appreciate all of you guys. Michael Bradley, you're the king, bro. Look, check this out. Check it out.
My dad's the king.
What? Say that again.
My dad's the king. Not you.
All right, stop. It's kind of getting choppy, it looks like. All right. Look, I'll zoom way in. That's a travel. What are those RVs? Don't. It's the Griswold family over there in that RV. Look, it's cousin Eddie. It looks choppy on my phone. Can everybody still see it? Okay. Look at the mountains, the beautiful sunset. Look at that sunset. Wow. Look how beautiful the sun is setting behind that mountain. Around here to the Hoover Dam. Can everybody still see the video okay? Is it all good?
Guess what, people? We just got back from we saw Lake Mead, which is right there.
Yeah. It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, and I got a new bracelet today.
You got a new bracelet, yeah.
And I like to stretch it.
Let's walk down here a little bit further. We'll walk right until we're centered with the Colorado River. All right, we're gonna walk until we're right in the center of where the the river here. Are we there yet? Yeah, this is really cool out here, I'm telling you. Why didn't we bring bottles of water? All right, come here. All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. She doesn't get that. All right, so we are. Yeah, we are. Come here. No, I guess we're not. Man, we're not even halfway across this damn bridge. We're almost halfway. I hope my signal's still good. I don't know, I'm out in the middle of this bridge. This is probably about halfway, isn't it? Are we there? Okay, we're about, this is it. Yep, come here. Come here.
Right here.
Huh?
Right here.
No, I think you went too far. All right, come here. Okay. Now, thanks for the thumbs up and the hearts and everything. And thank you for anybody who shared this as well. So here's some info about the bridge. The first hollow arch segments were cast in place. Each segment is approximately 24 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 14 feet tall, with 14-inch thick reinforced walls. So look at this. Don't climb up there like that. Get your hands down. So we're right over the middle. Is that cool or what? And there's a boat way out there. That's a boat way out there. Look at the mountains. There's a parking lot, parking garage down there. I'm zoomed way in. But there is the Hoover Dam, everybody. All right, we're gonna go back now. Come on. We're gonna go back. Come on. Now. Good Lord. All right, you want to go all the way to the end? Do you want to wait here and I'll take her to the end? You want to talk to everybody? Tell them about where we went today. Here's Jill. We're going to the end. Come on, let's go.
Hey everybody. We drove from Las Vegas to Oatman, Arizona today. And we took historic Route 66 over to Oatman. And Oatman is one of the early settled mining towns. And there's ruins of mines there, and they have wild burros that just roam through the town and are all over the street, and they actually walk into the stores. So it's a really, really cool place. And the hotel in Oatman, they have the room on display that was the honeymoon suite of Clark Gable and Carol Lombard. Apparently they were shooting out that way and ended up getting married in Kingman, Arizona, and the only road back to LA, was historic Route 66. So they stopped in Oatman and had their honeymoon in Oatman at this hotel, and their honeymoon suite, as it was, is still on display. And it's this amazing old hotel. So we really had a very interesting day. What's so cool about being out here is we're trying to do something new all the time and really learn more about American history and the different landscape. You know, we're from Ohio, so we really had very limited exposure to anything other than really the Midwest. And being out here on the West Coast has really opened us up to a whole different landscape and another part of American history that we really didn't know much about. So it's been really cool and it's been really fun. So hey, I'm glad you guys hopped on. So glad to get to show you the great Hoover Dam. And I am deathly afraid of heights, so I apologize if I am not not completely right, because I'm like trying to keep myself from being panicked. So we are up about 300 feet. This bridge is about 300 feet up. So the Hoover Dam is amazing, but I'm ready to get off this bridge. So thank you everybody for joining. Have a great night. Have a wonderful week. Go out and get what you want, and take care, everybody. Bye.